was sitting around doing some reading late in the day, and then I heard these thunder boomers. I saw some lightning. I looked at my watch. I said, this is about the time Ashley said it would happen.
Yeah, it was about rush hour yesterday, which is probably the most inconvenient time for people on the roads.
Yeah.
At least you were at home already.
Yes.
But we also had some injuries from lightning yesterday, and that's why we urge people, if the thunder roars, go indoors, and that's why we're issuing a weather aware again today. Simply because an isolated thunderstorm could bear with it the threat for these strikes of lightning, and we want you to be very aware of your surroundings. This is not something to necessarily take lightly. Yes, it happens frequently here in the South this time of year, but it's still something that carries some minor dangers with it. We cannot get super complacent even with these summertime thunderstorms. So weather aware day today. It's a sunny start to your morning. Temperatures this afternoon in the mid to upper 80s. Will hit 90 by around 3 p.m. today. Dry scan on your storm track radar right now, but I'm still monitoring moisture moving out of the Gulf and also this complex of storms moving in from the west. Something interesting about this is the storms that we saw last night actually stabilized the atmosphere a bit this morning. So we're kind of seeing the clouds move out and the sunshine move in right now as we're looking live over the Magic City. But with temperatures at 70 degrees and dew points in the upper 60s, the air mass is a bit more saturated, and that's why we're seeing some fog. And we can actually see that if you look off on the side of your screen there, that's fog filling into the valleys here. Remember, our tower cam is high atop our tower, and then that's high atop Red Mountain. So we're looking down on Birmingham, and we get a pretty neat perspective, especially of that morning fog. Here's what I'm tracking today. It's a weather aware day with more storms possible, and that unsettled weather pattern continues through tomorrow. Temperatures in some places pretty comfy for a July morning. 68 in Coleman, same with Jasper, mid 70s through mid morning. By noon, temperatures in the mid 80s. Here's where this forecast gets a little tricky. There's a boundary moving into Mississippi today, yes. Will it stay there or will it move into Alabama? That's the million-dollar question. I think the best opportunity for any rain and showers today is going to be in West Alabama, pretty much west of 65, Tuscaloosa, Aliceville, down towards Greenboro, Utah. And then what we could see east of 65 is a mix of sun and clouds. So places like Gadsden, Pell City, Anniston, Talladega, you're going to stay a bit drier outside. It doesn't look like rain is going to impact everyone today, but we are definitely going to see that chance of showers and storms. I'll kind of continue breaking that down. Right now, let's go outside and see exactly how the Sloss Fest is going to be shaping up this weekend. Joining me is Storm Track meteorologist Michael Smith. Michael?
Hey, good Friday morning to you, Ashley. Yeah, it is Friday and Sloss Fest 2016. It kicks off tomorrow. A nice start this morning, but Ashley, like you've been talking about, the storms that pop later on this afternoon, lightning is a big concern. So if you're outdoors and you hear thunder, that's your cue to take it indoors. Let me show you the forecast. Saturday is a weather aware day as well. Notice the 50% chance of coverage of seeing those storms, and then the storm chance goes down on Sunday, but the temperature pops right back up into the low, maybe middle 90s. It'll feel like the upper 90s to low 100s, so hydrate, and remember, if you hear thunder, take cover.